Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to beat Fishland in Temu. This game is actually pretty easy. There's a little trick to beat it at the end, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First, of course, you have to open the Temu app, and if you don't have the Temu account, you can go to the Use section in the bottom menu and create an account here. After you have your account and got it through the verifications, you can tap on earn credits and free gifts. Here you will see there are many options, many games to play, and the one we gonna choose is Fishland. So this is the interface of the game. The way you play the game is actually pretty easy. You just have to feed the fish, and then when it get like 100%, you just have to collect them. See, I got $3 minus. So the key that the thing is, if you want to win the game, you have to earn all the money that it has to earn in the top, so you will earn the 2 coupons and 2 free items, and you just keep feeding the fish, like what I'm doing now. Yeah, like that, and I got 3 more dollars deducted from my goal. But the tricky part is that when you feed it until it's only have 5 cents left, you cannot feed them anymore. You have to invite friends in order to beat the game. So when you have 5 cents left, you just have to go to the friend section in the bottom left of the screen right here, and then you just have to tap on invite more friends, and you can copy the code like this, or you can uh, uh, send the link via any social media that you want to do, for example like Facebook Messenger or Reddit or X, any social media you want. And when you invite, like for example like 1 or 2 or 5 friends, click into your link, you will get the last amount of fish food in order to feed the fish and then win the game. That's how you do it. So that's just that easy. So make sure that you watch you make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and please follow me on the next all the next tutorial. Thank you and peace out.